There he goes. All the way. Oh. He's working his way back up through the heavy snow, determined to ride again.
On a snow day for doing snow tubing at the country club for the Olympics. Another attempt to improve on his last run. Let's see.
Yay! Yay!
So, let's see how it goes if I make that snowbank.
Okay. Where are we going?
So, this man in this snowstorm wants to compete in trying to make that jump on the snowbank.
Alright, here he
Can
goes.
Get an even better record doing that. Let's see how it will go.
There you go. Oh! He's going. He made a jump.
Did I make it past the line? Okay. So, we have a winner!
Yeah.
Eastman with the second record being the longest. Raj got a good record on the second attempt. Like an excellent record.
Yes. Excellent. Alright.
Okay. So after the Olympics, I wanted to do one more ride over here. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Whoa, whoa.
Oh! Yeah, you passed it. Gold medal.